Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.